can anybody say an Igbo man cannot be president of Nigeria and I will accept it? Then it shows how brainless I am. If I'm the president of Nigeria today, I would have turned Southeast Nigeria into the hub, our own Silicon Valley. These are people endowed. They are as brilliant as the Chinese, the Koreans, and the Indians put together. We have them. Why are we not using them? But because there was a civil war before, and we said we have forgiven ourselves, and now, but you are forgiving yourselves, but an Igbo man cannot become anything in Nigeria, cannot be president, cannot be trusted to be Inspector General of Police, cannot be trusted. Why? Look at Joe Biden. He has already appointed Nigerians into his government. Already. Before his inauguration, he already appointed Nigerians. He didn't say, because they say Nigerians, so they are very corrupt people, all those stupid, sentiments that people express against us. He appointed them. Why? He saw their talent. He appointed the first black man. Now, Pentagon has a new Secretary of Defense. He's a black man. In Nigeria, you say an Igbo man cannot be Inspector General of Police, an Igbo man cannot be Chief of Army Staff, an Igbo man. Why? So if you don't want them, if you don't trust them, and they say they want to go, then so why are you then stopping them? Why are you stopping them? You don't want me, and you are saying, even slaves got freedom. These are people contributing to world economy, not just, listen, not Nigerian economy. The Igbos are contributing to world economy. There is no country I have been, I will not find an Igbo man either at the peak of academia, at the peak of business, at the peak of professions. They are everywhere. Medical doctors, surgeons, lawyers, bankers, they are everywhere. And then we come back to Nigeria, you are discriminating against them. And you are saying they will not agitate for their own nation. We are the ones causing the problem. If you want an Igbo man, then bring them nearer and see if they will not perform. In this Lagos today where we live, anything we want to do now, innovation, the first thing is, let's go to Computer Village. Who are the people controlling Computer Village? Let's go to Alaba. Who are the people controlling Alaba? Do you think people with empty brains can control those things that the Igbos control? Even with all this fight, Biafra, if you go to Kano today, without the Igbo selling spare parts, nobody will function. All the cars there will come to stand still. You go to Sokoto, you will meet them there. Go to Borno, go to Iraq, go to Afghanistan, you see Igbo man doing great.
Nigeria government, Bikonu, I use God to beg you people. It's better we close this embassy here. Because this nonsense embassy has no even simple feeling about Nigerians in Switzerland. You will book an appointment in embassy, call them, register for the passport, pay everything. Calling embassy from day one, embassy, nobody will pick your call. Write email to embassy, embassy will never reply your email. And there is people receiving salary. What type of rubbish office is this? Are we causing that country as a country? People are here receiving salary all the time. They can never pick call. They can never write any message. Quel est nonsense country de fa? Quel est country na bon Nigeria? Quel est useless country de fa nkano? Abulu no. Somebody will drive from Schaffhausen, 2 hours plus, here, no info. Una walide sino bitch, they will know, and they deceive them madu. Eh? People are in this office, but we'll be calling them. Nobody will pick call. America never get that. This motor about the hopeful one. This useless one about the hell of one. Eh? People are here. Nonsense country if I'm upon Nigeria. You will write email, nobody will reply your email. You call the phone, call phone, nobody will pick the nonsense call. Cannot the nonsense country and upon Nigeria they fight. One idiot you know as ambassador, others you know no. They receive salary, but they will never do something about their citizens. That lockdown, the corona will kill all of you in this office. Kuno halwa no office corona ya junu chaninde and do na mana free. Unu ncha ya wucha na ya corona. Very useless idiot. Ndala. Ndala. If I have on Facebook kita kuna fuya. Very useless people. Ndala. Una rubu on embassy. Kita bana la tatu na ya dia. Ndocho. Ne. Esim chafaze nyali moto e biara no wa. 2 hour plus. Ndera this useless place. Now you're not this nonsense embassy. Nigeria embassy Ben, Switzerland. Ndia we de wala nyewa no as workers. Very useless idiots. Corona yabu no chani na that lockdown no. Corona yabu all of you in this place.